Friends, welcome to Java Express channel. This is Venkat Bhaskar. In previous section we covered how to create a AWS Amazon account and we saw how to set a billing alarm. Please watch before going to see this session. Okay, please create your Amazon account and practice every day. And today we are going to see we'll discuss about the core components of AWS like regions, availability zones and edge locations. So in AWS global infrastructure, in AWS they provided 24 regions in all over the world. In each region we have like availability zones. Those availability zones around right now 76. If you see here, the blue color like indicates like a region. See, if you see here, this is a Mumbai region. This is one of the region. In this region we have 3 availability zones, if you observe here, and we have some edge locations also. So region is nothing but like an independent geographic area. Okay, and AWS has regions all over the world. Like if you take example US East 1, this is one of the region. If you see, if you think this is a region, we have some availability zones, right? The availability zones, it indicates like 1A, 1B, 1C. It's depend on availability zone. Okay, basically each availability zone 2 minimum data centers available. Okay, like availability zone is nothing but like a physical data center inside a region. Okay, so these availability zones are also isolated from each other. Okay, if any one data center is down, so it will use some other data center within the region or within the availability zone. Okay, so these all connected with a private network. Why? In order to interact with the other availability zone, so it need a network, some communication is required. Okay, if you want to know more about what are the regions and availability centers, we can go and check in the AWS. I will show you how to check regions and availability zones. Agents, people will call like a agent. Okay, if you see here, this is one of the region. If you think this is US East 1, if you see here, this is one of the region, this is one of the availability zone. In each availability zone we have a multiple data centers, minimum 2 data centers will be there. If you take Mumbai, is one of the region available in India, so 3 data centers are available. So like in region we have 1, 2 or 3 availability zones are available. Just I made small example. If you say Ireland is one of the region, if you see, so in this availability zone we have West 1A, West 1B, West 1C. That means these two are like data centers. Okay, if suppose if one data center is working, if this is not working, so it can use different one. If any disaster is happen, so this whole availability zone is only itself not working, then it can use this availability zone. So AWS is provided all services like high availability. Okay, 99.99% your application won't go, the server won't go down. Okay, so this is the concept of the region and availability zone, and we have some edge locations also available. In the further session I will explain what is an edge location. Like we have some cloud front, there is a concept is there, how if you deploy an application in one place, but how you are accessing without, to reduce the latency, we are using the edge locations. Okay, if you go for the website, just go and type like AWS region and availability zones. Just click on the second website. This is a global infrastructure. If you see here, it's in North America. This blue color indicates as a region. Inside a region we have a multiple data centers, right? See, blue color indicates a edge locations, and this color indicates a region. If you see here, US West, we have 4 availability zones, launched in 2011 and launched in 2009. So day by day they are increasing availability zones and edge locations also. If you go for overview, if you see here, 24 regions, 76 availability zones, and we have some around this 39 some edge locations also available. And if you see this here, this color indicates means coming soon. The Spain, it is coming soon. If you click here, this is Singapore, this is Mumbai, this is some Bahrain. So these are all like region. If you want to know more, go for regions, go for the local zones. Maybe a lot of content already provided in the AWS website. You can go through once just to understand about the regions and availability zones. In the next section, we will talk about IAM. It is very important concept. Thank you guys. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get more updates. Thank you guys.